Let's make some natural DIY home remedies for face. This anti-aging serum will surely help you to remove wrinkles naturally. Today we are going to make some DIY face serum with potato juice. These homemade face serum will be very helpful for wrinkles and glowing skin. So, firstly we are going to make potato juice. Let's talk about some benefits of potato. It contains vitamin C, B1, B3, B6 and minerals like magnesium, potassium. It is very useful to get rid of black spots, marks and blemishes. Now we are going to make some skin tightening remedies for wrinkles and sagging skin. We are going to make face serum with some natural ingredient which will help you the best. Also, potato juice is acidic and contains natural skin bleaching agents which help make your skin more glowing. Some researches has shown that this potato juice is an excellent choice for skin moisturization and hydration. Due to its antioxidant properties, it will also reduces your dark age spots and gives you a clear, bright, youthful, healthy complexion through natural way. Now take 1 teaspoon of potato juice. Then add 1 teaspoon of raw milk to nourish and moisturize skin cells from deep within. Also add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. This anti-aging ingredient can tighten your skin and remove wrinkles with its moisturizing properties. These natural inexpensive ingredients participates in collagen synthesis due to its vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which help to smoothen wrinkles. An easy DIY anti-aging serum to make at home. Here you also need 1 teaspoon of potato juice. There is nothing more to say about the benefits again. Add nature's best moisturizer, raw honey, a great natural way to moisturize and hydrate your dry, sensitive and loose skin. If you need natural anti-aging home remedies, then raw honey is one of the best ingredient to add. Adding pure organic coconut oil about 1 teaspoon can be the safest way to boost collagen production and regeneration of new skin cells. Using it routinely can be helpful to tighten loose skin by replenishing its elasticity. It will hydrate your dry, patchy skin and gives you youthful, healthy glow and remove wrinkles around mouth with time. This DIY home remedy is going to be the best firming face serum and a great natural way to get rid of sagging skin at home. If you have dry and sensitive skin, then this natural ingredient going to be the best choice of yours. When you have sagging skin and you need skin firming, then moisturizing is the key. But you can't use very harsh ingredient, then cucumber juice is one of the best to use. This contains phytochemicals that help in the production of collagen, the fiber-like protein responsible for skin tightening. The best part is you can use this also under eye wrinkles and fine lines. Adding cucumber to this recipe is not only give you wrinkle removal effect but make your skin glowing and healthy. So, this will be the best anti-aging skincare recipe among those skin tightening home remedies for your face lift naturally. It hydrates the skin and reduces unhealthy dryness which may be a cause of furrow and fine lines on forehead and face. Also helps to rejuvenate dull and aging skin. Rich in vitamin A, C and antioxidants, diminishes fine lines around mouth. Take 1 teaspoon of this juice to make this homemade face serum. Also take 1 teaspoon of previously made potato juice to make this remedy the best homemade face serum for glowing skin. The basic idea of getting beautiful skin is to remove dead skin cells and regenerate new cells. The vitamin A present in egg white fights against wrinkles and early signs of aging. You will have a very beautiful younger looking skin naturally. It also helps moisturizing and maintaining elasticity of skin and makes it soft, supple and brighten. It will remove pigmentation, minimize tan and restore the natural complexion. Many wrinkle removal cosmetic beauty products available in market, but suggestion is to apply natural homemade remedies routinely, not for instant facelift, but proper skin care routine will give you younger looking skin naturally with time.